Welcome back, people. You're back for another one. Thanks for tuning in. This is the Merchcast podcast, Top 10 Best of 2018 mini-series extravaganza. And you're in the right spot. We're counting down the top 10 episodes of the Merchcast podcast this year. We had a lot of fun talking about Spreadshop, interviewing a lot of different shop owners, sharing tips and tricks to help you guys get the most out of your Spreadshop. And today, we're on number 7. That's right, number 7. Top 10 Countdown 2018 is our first ever episode. In its truest form, back in April, we had an idea, we turned on the mics, and this is what we got. Enjoy. And yeah, crab cakes.
Welcome to the Spreadshop Shopcast, where Spreadshop insiders and experts drop knowledge on all things in the merch game. I'm your co-host, DJ Kaufman, and I have with me today some fellow Spreadshop experts and co-hosts. Here in just south of Pittsburgh, PA, is Nathan Sam.
Hello, guys.
And up in Boston, we have Moose.
What is happening? Crab cakes.
Yeah. So for the goal for this podcast will be to inspire creators, old and new, to launch their own merch businesses with essentially Spreadshop, of course. That's why it's called the Spreadshop Shopcast. We'll keep relatively short and sweet, so we don't take a whole lot of people's times, maybe like 10-minute episodes, little nuggets of value, something to supercharge you and get you on your way to success. My question number 1 to Nate is, tell listeners what Spreadshop is in a nutshell.
Well, if you want to define it in one word, it's simple. So the best part about Spreadshop is the easiest way to kind of sell your merch online. Spreadshop, basically in just a few steps, can have you from just concept to reality, simply by uploading your designs to the Spreadshop platform and then launching your shop and actually advertising to your users. And from there, your product is live and ready to be printed, and there's no overhead. We take care of the customer service. So it's really just a one-stop shop for all your merch needs, is what Spreadshop really is. And we're really trying to really push that, how simple it really is. And that's kind of what these podcasts are also going to delve into, is just the reasons you should be doing it. And there's really not any reasons why you shouldn't be doing it. So that's Spreadshop in that nutshell right there.
Yeah. Moose, can you think of anything that he didn't name that's another key benefit of Spreadshop off the top of your head?
Oh boy, on the hot seat now.
Yeah.
I know Nate hit the high level points of simplicity. I think in general, selling merchandise online is just an industry that's been growing for years now, and to not participate in it is you're just missing out. The Spreadshop gives you that opportunity to do something really simple, really fast, and start selling your ideas on t-shirts, hats, mugs, directly to your fans with no upfront risk, no cost. You just start publishing designs and start selling and build your brand.
Yeah, definitely.